Okay.
Crap.
Shit. When was that clean last? Seriously? What's that? Well, look at that. There's another one. Why are they keeping this? They're gonna kill somebody. That's raw meat. Cooked meat. What in the fuck? Oh my god. They're gonna be responsible for poisoning the whole of fucking Queens. These are all rotten. Bloody hell. What is going on here?
I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Have you got 2 seconds? What I saw at lunchtime, I knew we had problems. But I'm more concerned. Not just about the shit that's gone on upstairs. Both of you, and Evelyn, come here. Let me show you very quickly how much you've checked out. How often are you in this fridge?
Every day.
Every day. What is that?
This is the gyro we had earlier.
Take it. Yeah, put on there. What's that?
This is chicken.
So we got cooked gyro, cooling down, and you've got cooked meat sat next to raw chicken.
In a different tray, sir.
In a different tray.
And on top of covered basket of chicken.
You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Rule number 1. Just smell that. Just smell that. And smell that. Fucking smell it.
Yes, I smell it.
Yeah, go on, what's it smell of? Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's in denial.
That smells like shit.
That is disgusting. Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
What did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found this?
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have you
it.
any idea how many years that needs to be in? All
This
these
is
fucking
8
jars.
years.
All these jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just...
This has been 8 years over there.
Oh, that is disgusting. Give me one more excuse and I'm gonna flip my fucking lid. This place right now is a fucking hellhole. And when you talk about jars of fake caviar in a fridge for nearly 8 years, that's just an inkling to how dysfunctional this place is. Because if you're operating it this badly, I can help you in 2 minutes. I can give you the best advice you'll ever get. Lock the fucking door and close it down.
Ran up to every table and said, "Hello."